So if you have the Galaxy A36 and you're running on One UI 8 Android 16, then you will definitely get the One UI 8.5 update from Samsung. The One UI 8.5 update is a more advanced. The One UI 8.5 update is a more advanced and polished version of One UI 8. Samsung is making a lot of visual changes in One UI 8.5 update that are very useful. So in this video, let's talk about the One UI 8.5 features and release date for Galaxy A36. So the very first thing that you will see when you download the One UI 8.5 update is the new software update screen. It's a small change, but it looks nice. In One UI 8.5 update, Samsung made changes in the icons. The design is about the same, but the icons are now 3D and they give a shiny 3D effect compared with the old flat icons. The weather app is also getting some changes in One UI 8.5 update. Samsung added a gradient fading effect at the edges of weather app, which looks really nice compared to the Samsung's previous weather app in One UI 8. The biggest change that you will see in One UI 8.5 update is the quick settings customizations. In One UI 8.5, you can change the orientation of brightness and volume bar. So previously it was only horizontal, but now you can change the brightness and volume bar to be in a vertical orientation as well. You can also change the size of toggles and you can change the quick settings layout in any arrangement that you like. The lock screen is also getting some changes in One UI 8.5 update, like the new wake up animation. So whenever you tap on the lock screen, you will see a glow animation from the point where you tap your finger. It's a small but nice change in One UI 8.5. Now, as we are talking about the lock screen, so Samsung has made the adaptive clock to work with objects. So previously, adaptive clock only works with people and animals, but now adaptive clock works with any object. This way, the font of clock will automatically adjust according to any main object in the image. This new change in One UI 8.5 update makes the One UI lock screen one of the best looking lock screen customizations ever. Another change that Samsung made in One UI 8.5 is the ability to turn on and off the pill off battery indicator. This way you have an option to remove the pill and just see the battery percentage without any background. Samsung also made the Wi-Fi icon bold and thick, so it's more easy to see the Wi-Fi signals. In One UI 8.5, you will see floating menu at the bottom of many apps, like the navigation menu in Phone app. The setting app also has a floating menu. The search bar in the app drawer is now floating and smaller in size. The gallery UI is also much clean and looks elegant in One UI 8.5 update. As for the Galaxy Air features, so Samsung added 4 new Galaxy Air features in One UI 8.5 update, like the meeting assist, touch assist, smart clipboard, and social composer. Samsung is expected to add more Galaxy Air features in One UI 8.5, which we will see after the official One UI 8.5 release. The update is under development right now, and by the time Samsung release the official One UI 8.5 update, there will be more features and changes in One UI 8.5 update. So let's talk about when Samsung will release the One UI 8.5 update. So as for the release date, so it is expected that Samsung will release the One UI 8.5 beta update in November for selected Galaxy devices in limited countries. This beta testing will go for a few weeks. Samsung will release a couple of beta updates before the final release. And as for the official and the stable One UI 8.5 release, so it is expected that Samsung will release the One UI 8.5 update with the launch of Galaxy S26 series in January 2026. And after the launch of Galaxy S26 series, Samsung will start the One UI 8.5 rollout to eligible Galaxy smartphones and tablets. So Samsung will release the One UI 8.5 beta update in November, and the official One UI 8.5 update will be released in January 2026. So yeah, that's all the information that you need to know about the One UI 8.5 update. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.